Good afternoon and welcome to today's vlog. We are hiking a little. These guys are shooting their bows.
I'm not.
What did you do?
I was holding it and then I went
fire.
to let it go, and I'm pretty sure Dad used the strings to tie something.
Are you blaming it on Dad?
No. And when I was moving it down, it like moved.
Snapped the thing. Gager can't shoot, but Braylee is, and Casey is,
Winston is.
and Winston is.
Oh my gosh,
So
that
cute.
was a bee.
How cute is she? Thanks.
I think she's cute. Shorts actually go down past her butt cheeks.
Is that funny? Woo woo! All I want is for Layla to get in this, and she won't. But I'm wearing it anyways because I feel like later on she will want to. But also look, I got her snacks. I need a better setup. Look at Winston. Winston, let's see your bow, buddy. Let's see your bow. That was Gager's when he was little.
When I was Winston's age. Winston.
Nice, buddy. I'm pretty sure Winston's shorts are rolled in the back. Layla, do you want to get in here with me? Okay, fine. Okay, fine. No, you don't know why? You got your keys? Did you lock the car? You don't know? Okay.
Ready for this? 2-yard shot.
Nice. What'd you find? Oh, cool. You can put them in this bag if you want. Want to take them home? We can make something out of that. You can paint them. Okay?
Okay, Mom.
Oh, here goes Casey. Making a wish.
We have our ways up.
Come here, sis. You have to stay behind Daddy. Stay behind Dad. Come here.
How far do I normally shoot?
We came here last year too. I don't know how often Casey comes here, but this is really fun because we get a little hike in and they get to shoot their bows and it's beautiful. So pretty. All around us. There's never anyone here. Well, okay, I've only been here once, but there wasn't anyone here last time I was here either. Can you hear the water? Oh, don't jump in the creek. Walk across the bridge. You see the water? Look over here. Look how pretty. Is that beautiful? You see the water? Look at it. It's okay. I have you. You can get closer. Layla is my most timid child, which is kind of nice. She's still pretty brave, but still timid enough that she's not jumping in. Okay, we're going to stand back here and watch them shoot their bows. You want to try? You want to blow that? Make a wish?
No.
Okay, you just want to hold it? Where's Bray Bray? Good job, Bray. Nice. You're going to put your keys in your shirt? Want me to help you put them in your pocket? Want to put them in your pocket in your shorts? Let's put them in your pocket. It might be better. Oh, are these fake? Oh, the back ones are real. There we go. There. Is that better? Yeah?
There's so many.
There are so many, huh?
Want to put it behind your ear?
No. He just wants to hold them all.
No.
Gage, you're rude. Stop. What is that? That's beautiful. Oh, you got it for Layla. That's so nice. What do you say? Thank you, Winston. That's nice. Did you shoot? Yeah, I missed it.
Mama.
Look where I put mine.
Hey, Mom.
Thank you. Do you want to put your flower here like Mama? Want it on you like that?
No.
Here, I'll put it behind your ear. Look, can you see it? That cute? Look, let's show both. Isn't that cute? Okay, let's go. Look, they're leaving us. Come on, sis. Want to get in here yet?
No.
Fine. You're such a big girl. Yeah, you are. She won't even hold my hand. She's independent. What? Here goes Winston. Nice. Good job, buddy. Layla. You need some help? I can't even handle how cute she is. Oh, that is perfect. Layla will love that. Layla, look at that one. Winston, look. You like my flower?
Yeah.
Nice. It is hot.
Wanna switch?
Switch what? No.
Whoa. Okay.
Goes Dad. Checking to see if he can see anything. Just kidding. Cuties. Good girl. What do you have? Some peas? You having some lunch? You should do that over the table in case it falls out. My kids love opening things. If they can do that, then they'll stay focused and eat. Uh-oh. Are you feeding them to Rosie? You eat them. Did you have a good nap? Yeah, you have a really dirty face from our hike. We got back from our hike and we were just hanging around and I have just had so much on my mind. And like, I just need to run. And when I say run, I mean I jog a little and mostly walk on an incline. I just say run because it just seems easier when you do that on a treadmill. I don't really like to run outside. I will if I have no other choice, but I really like to just jog, I guess, and walk on my treadmill because I just follow a program that they have and it just makes me feel so good. I feel like it just eases my mind. And I never thought that exercise could do that for me because in the past when I was struggling and having a hard time just kind of like figuring myself out, you know, I struggled with an eating disorder for a really long time, and during that time I used exercise as a punishment, which makes me so sad because exercise can be such a great thing and it can be such a bad thing. So I've had to kind of rebuild that relationship with exercise, and I'm so grateful for this past year because I really have done that, and it's been hard, and but it's been so good, and I'm so grateful because it does help me to just kind of like relax if I'm feeling like I have a lot of anxiety or a lot just weighing heavy on my mind. If I can just go down and be by myself for a half hour, then I usually just feel so much better. I'm grateful for being able to kind of change that relationship. So if you're struggling, I've been there and I know, and it's so hard and it took me a really long time. You want me to open that one for you? But you can do it. What does Rosie have? Will you get that from her? She has a bag. Golf. See how things go around here? This is why I can't ever stay on task. There's 9 billion things going on. Can you get that from her? Do you want me to? Pull the bag down. Good girl. Look, I have your piece. Yep, put it up there. Thank you. I enjoy running and jogging and walking, but I'm not a runner. So when I say I like to run, people are always like, you should do this marathon or you should do this half marathon. And I'm like, I think that I need to word this differently because I don't want to do that. Anyways, we had a fun hike. Braylee did awesome. What have you been doing? You're tired? I'm tired too.
I went and took that sponsor paper to
Oh.
my neighbor.
Braylee had the week off of cheer this last week, and now she goes back tomorrow. You ready?
No.
No.
I wake
I'm
up
not
at 11
ready
every day. Holy, that is the longest carrot.
I know. Don't touch it. That's mine. Fine, you can have it.
I didn't like it. I actually do want
That
it
was
though.
the longest baby carrot in the baby carrot bag. Okay, fine. Here, because I love you. Baby carrots are so good. Right? Okay.
Mark.
Gross. There is nothing that makes me crazier than listening to people eat. Oh, it makes, like, I really did hear that it's like, that it's like something in your brain. Like
Nobody bothers me when they eat except for you.
I'm a really, really like hard chewer. That's why. Is that why?
Drinker. When you were drinking your smoothie, I wanted to, like...
You want to know why? Because I don't want people around me when I eat.
You made me come up there and eat with you. I was like, oh my gosh.
Isn't that the funniest thing though, that it's like my biggest annoyance and I'm the loudest? And I know I am. It drives Casey crazy. He's like, Kaylee, you don't have to like kill your food when you eat it. I have really strong jaw muscles, okay? We're gonna eat our carrots and not drive you guys crazy with the noise. I saw something on Facebook, I think it was Facebook, that looked so interesting. I showed Casey, he thought so too. So we're gonna see if it works. I needed a bottle, so we bought some soda. I put it in there. I don't know if anyone will drink it, but I'm gonna cut this in half, hopefully straight. Does anyone know what I'm gonna try to make just by that? Oh, and this. Ground beef. Nope, that's not ground beef. What is this meat?
Elk.
Ground elk.
What did you say it was?
Huh?
What did you say it was?
I meant to say ground meat. I said ground beef.
Not beef.
Huh?
Not beef.
Not beef. Not here. Okay, here we go. I also have some wooden skewers that I have been soaking for like 2 hours, maybe more. We're gonna fill this part with the ground meat of your choice. Stick it in there. Okay.
You want to hold the stick?
Yeah. Okay. Yes!
Good work, Dave.
Casey's gonna give it a go. Oh, you're so much smarter than me. It's hard, huh? Woo! Boop. Yes, this is fun. This is a good, fun way to do like...
Turds on a skewer.
Huh?
Turds on a skewer.
Turds on a skewer. That's what we're having for Din Din. I thought that the kids would like this. Something fun and different. We'll see. I'm gonna say that our kebabs were a success. And yes, you could film them with your hands. But one, not as cool. And two, they don't look like perfect like that.
She's grabbed one. Is
Yeah, she's like, I got this.
that good?
Don't let Rosie get it.
Is that so good?
That's cute, see? See, guys? There you go. You can use any meat, and I was thinking that you could put vegetables in it. If your kids hate vegetables, you could put anything in there. Carrots. What other vegetables could you put in there, babe?
Onions, peppers.
Onions, pepper. Oh, peppers would be good. So if your kids hate eating vegetables, you could do that. This is a yummy idea, huh? You have the messiest face. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, sit down. If your kids do want to eat them and they're independent like Layla, take the skewer out or it will poke them. I let her take a couple of bites, and then when it got to the pokey spot, I won't poke you. When it got to the pokey part, I took it out. So then it's just like a hot dog. Much better for you, huh? Braylee, are you excited to try my skewers?
So excited.
Are you? Don't they look fun?
Yeah, it's super fun.
You're so rude.
Kidding.
Look at the sky. It's so pretty.
Yum,